Hello and welcome to My Career Doctor. My name is Prakash Singh Azad, an English language trainer come career counselor. Well, this is
Shagun Singh, studying in ninth class and the student of My Career Doctor.
that's really very great, and
Aman Singh, studying in 8th class, the student of My Career Doctor.
that's really nice and great. Well, in this video, I would like to show you that how to talk to anyone. This video will help you that if you meet somebody who is a stranger and practice in the same way like these two kids are practicing, that would be really very great. And I hope you watch this video till end. I'm gonna assign some work to these guys. They'll perform it right now. So, Bacha department, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so here your name is Simran and you are Shivam.
Okay.
Both of you are meeting here at first time and talking to each other in English. Let's get the ball rolling now. Start.
Hi. What's your name? My name is Simran. And what's your name? My name is Shivam. Okay. What are you doing here? I am just coming for walk here. Oh, evening walk. Yes. Okay, nice. It's good for our health now. Yes, you are right. And can you tell me that means do you like the flowers? Do you like flowers or nature beauty? I like nature beauty, but I don't like flowers. Why? It's my thinking. Your thinking is very bad.
Oh,
Sorry for it.
My thinking is very good, Didi. My sis, I am telling you that my thinking is very good. But I do not like flowers to
Why?
put it out. and-
Okay. I do not like that to put them out, plug them. Do you have flowers pot in your home?
I do not like these type of things now. But I have.
You are really-
But I make the sceneries of nature, many things. I
Okay.
used to make.
It's not a thing to make the sceneries of nature and make the trees in that scenery, and we should also planting the plants.
Yes,
Okay.
I plant the plants on my floor.
So that thing I was also asking to you.
In which class do you study?
I'm in 8th.
Yes, I am also in 8th.
Yes, so we are classmates.
Very nice. Thank you very much. Now, this was the first step. What you have to do right now is this is lockdown.
Okay.
We all are stuck at our homes.
Okay.
We feel suffocated.
Okay.
We cannot go outside. So today somehow we managed to come here in this park to enjoy.
Okay.
So now this is your situation, and about this situation you will talk.
Now we are.
You are in
Also,
lockdown. You are in lockdown.
Now we are also strangers.
Yeah, still you are strangers.
Our name is Aman Shivam. Sorry,
Yeah,
Shivam.
your name is Shivam and she is
Simran.
Simran. Let's get the ball rolling. Start it.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Shivam Singh. And what is your name?
My name is Simran. Okay. So what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, I am just studying and playing many things at my home because there is a
Okay.
lockdown. I am very suffocated at my home. I feel
Yeah.
very boring at my home.
Yes, I also means I totally frustrated in my home. I want to go out. When it will remove now totally, when lockdown will be removed totally, then I will go out of my home, and till 2 days I will not come back to my home.
I will go to my nanny's home and I will stay there for 1 or 2 months.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know my experience? That in my neighbors, they are going and they are not means they leave means lot of time they are spending there outside, and it's not a very good thing because
It's dangerous.
it's dangerous. You are right. But what happened to me? I am not able to spend 1 or 2 months at my nanny's home.
Why do you don't want?
I feel bored there. I get bored. Really, I get bored there because there are not too much people there.
I do not feel bored there because I watch there many trees and there is a
Yes.
river.
Yes,
I like
yes.
that.
But there is also, but too far away my home, my maternal home. It was too far. So it means who will go there in the
Greater Noida.
not Greater Noida,
You are not
in
from
the-
Greater Noida.
in the noon. In the noon.
Okay. You do not want to go in the afternoon. I think that the noon is the best time of the day because there is a very hot time and I love that time. That's very hot and there they the noon and we are here and we will I go to my on the top of terrace and then I will stand there on the sunlight. That's where I feel very good there.
Do you know? You will get ill. You will fall ill in this situation.
Wow.
Sometimes sun rays is not good for our health. Sometimes it happens. And you know, I'm totally frustrated at my home. Really, I'm missing my friends a lot. And
I also because we were sitting at my at our home and we are closer there. We
Yes.
are in the four walls. Now we
Yes.
can't go outside of the home. We can't go to school and we meet our friends. So we can't go anywhere.
yes, you are right.
I was very frustrated.
We are the victims. Yes.
OMG. I'm really very sorry. It's okay now. Thank you very much. So this was the second step which you have to do. Your third task. Alright, so bacha log, tell me one thing. Is it easy or difficult to learn or speak in English?
So according to me, if we have the passion to learn English, so it is very easy to learn. If we think that it is too hard to learn, so it definitely it will hard to do.
Okay. What about you?
So I think that it is very easy. If you want to do anything, so nothing is impossible and nothing is hard for you. You want to do and you want to do something, so you will do that. Yeah, it's your passion. And if you want to learn English, you will learn definitely. But there is the need of time to give you will give to English and you will spend many times with your friends and enjoying. But you are not focusing on English, so you can't learn English perfectly.
Thank you. What about you?
Sir, if we want to speak English, so we can speak English fluently. If we want to go to Delhi and we have no time, so if we have passion, so we can go to Delhi.
Wow,
without
that's
time.
wow. Even if we have no time. I tell you one thing, my dear friends, subscribers and viewers. These two are the students of My Career Doctor. They used to come to coaching, but this kid is, I guess, in class 2 or 3rd.
Fifth.
Wow, he's in class 5th. So he used to come and just like that he used to sit in the coaching, and I would never pay attention to this kid. I only paid attention to these two kids. But he learned it somehow, he practiced and tried to speak in English. So somehow we can say that environment is must. Without it, we cannot do it. That is the first thing. Second thing, we must have interest and passion like you guys said right now. Without that, it's not possible. Tell me one thing, that how do you practice at home to speak in English?
So in normal things we are talking to each other and then we
Like you brothers and sisters talk to each other.
and
Yes,
we play shop at our home, so we should play that in English, so it will feel very enjoying. We are enjoying and we are learning English also.
That's great.
So my thinking is that when we watch the video of My Career Doctor in English, so then my mindset already prepared to speak in English, because I have watched you and listened you to observe your words and how are you speaking the words, and then I try to speak with my brothers. That's why it's
That's really, so still in this lockdown you practice.
yes, sir.
You also practice it at home?
Yes sir. Yes
That's
sir.
great, that's great.
We practice together.
You guys practice together at home and you think like it's what I have seen, that a lot of subscribers and viewers, they write in comment that, sir, it's very difficult. Is it really very difficult?
No, sir, no.
It's not difficult.
No.
Like if Anmol can do without any coaching classes, he just comes, he used to come and sit just like that silently and he would observe only, am I right?
Yes.
But now he's trying to speak English. Why not you guys can speak English? This is a very simple question. Everything starts from here and ends here. So please try to understand this. This is not very difficult that you can't do. You can do, but please take initiative. Until you take initiative, it's not possible. You will have to take initiative, my dear friends. I hope you guys will take initiative now.
Yes, sir.
All right. We are, of course, taking initiative. So can we say in the last, we are the best?
We can do.
Come on, we are the best.
We can do.
If we can do,
You can do.
if we can do,
You can do.
because you are the best,
You can do.
because you are the best.
You can do.
So come and join us.
Be the best.
Come and join us.
Be the best.
Jai Hind.
Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much. Stay happy and be the best.